Hi everyone, welcome to today's English class, and in today's class we are going to see the prose from the diary of Anne Frank. Okay, it is chapter number 4, prose from the diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank. So in order to give a general introduction about this lesson, Anne Frank was born on uh, Anne Frank was born on sorry She was born on 12 June 1929 in the month of February, and her period was till March 1945. And she was a German born Jewish girl who wrote this when she was hiding with her family and four of her friends in Amsterdam during World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the that is, Nazis, nothing but the rule of Hitler, gained power in Germany but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. So they had to move and hide themselves as Nazis came to power, and the main motto of Nazi was to destroy the Jewish. So in order to save themselves, they had to move to Amsterdam, and till they had to stay there till it was the Nazis occupation extended to the Netherlands. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942. So during July 1942 they went in hiding in the rooms of her father Otto Frank's office building. So they had to move to her father's office buildings in order to save themselves from the Nazi. Her father's name was Otto Frank. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp. So, after they after they went in hiding, the group was found by the Nazis and they were transported to concentration camp system, where Annie had died because of typhus within days of her sister Margaret Frank. So first Margaret Frank died, and then following Margaret Frank, Annie died because of typhus. Her father Otto was the only survivor. So among the group, her father was the only survivor who escaped from the Nazis, and once he returned to Amsterdam and found the diary of Anne Frank. So when he came back to Amsterdam, he found the diary that was saved, which had been saved, which was written by Anne Frank. So convinced that it was a unique record. So he was convinced that it was a very unique record by the small girl. He took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. So as he was convinced that it was a very precious thing to be saved, he wanted to publish that in English, naming it as The Diary of Young Girl. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday. The events of her life from 12 June 1942 until its final entry in 1st August 1944. So she started entering her events of the life from 12th June 1942 until the final entry. So the final entry in the diary was on 1st August 1944, and then it was eventually translated because it was majorly in Dutch language. So the major original diary which was written by Anne Frank was in Dutch language, and it had to be translated to English language in order to send it worldwide and help the others also read book. There have also been several films, television and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary. So based on the diary writings, there were so many films and television uh, and theatrical productions, and also operas were also conducted based on the writings which were there in the diary. So it was described as a mature and insightful mind. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi's occupation. So under Nazi, what were the struggles that were faced by the lives of people was described in that whole of the diary. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victim. Holocaust victim is nothing but the large scale victims of those who were there during the Nazis' power in Germany. She was considered to be as the Holocaust victim. Holocaust victim is nothing but the large scale victim. She was considered to be one among them, and that's how they preserved this diary, and it was published in English, and based on that so many stories were also taken in the movies and also various television productions